So in this video, you'll learn how to reset the network settings on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So start by opening the Settings app. Then you want to scroll and select General Management. From here, look for Reset and select it. Then you want to scroll until you find your network settings. So they're split into two sections. You have Reset Mobile Network Settings, and then you have Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. So if you want to reset your mobile network settings, just select that option, tap on Reset Settings, confirm your choice, and then your mobile network settings will be taken back to their default. If you want to reset your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, just select that option, select Reset Settings, and then they'll be taken back to their default status. And so that's how you can reset your network settings on your Galaxy A56. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.